Yeah. Manisha present. Hartej present. Kanushka not yet come. Shri Kirtan not yet come. Advait, Advait is there. Ishan is there. Ishan, last time you were there. Ishan, last session you were not present, na?
On the season that Friday or Saturday.
Saturday.
सर मी ग्रुपवरती मेसेज टाकला होता ना
Okay,
की
okay.
तुम्ही मला रेकॉर्डिंग सेंडच नाही
Okay,
केलं.
okay, okay. Dhairya is there. Yes. Anushka is there. Kavin, not yet. Arav, present. Then Hans, present. Then Avni, not yet. Gareth is added today. Present.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello. Manisha, present.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Hello. Hello.
Sir, actually, it's Hans.
Yes, Hans.
Sir, actually, my video is also not working, so it's okay, right?
Okay, okay. Only thing is that you should take part actively in our session. Whatever is required, because
Okay, sir.
I can see why the camera is required is that I can see the expression, your expression, then I understand whether you have understood or not. That is why. Okay. So if the camera is not on, then I do not have any contact with you. Then. So at least you go on talking whenever it is there, sir, no, sir, like this. So I will start the session now. Last time I had promised you that our next session will be for continuation and tomorrow's session will be fried liver attack that I have told you. So today 53, I think 53 problems where we stopped, no? Where we stopped, Manisha?
53 completed.
53 complete. Okay. Just a second. Huh?
Sir, today is just my first day I have joined this class.
Yes, Gareth. Yes, I know. What you do now, today you simply attend the class. Okay. Whatever going on. If you feel answering, you can answer this particular question, you can answer. If you feel
Okay,
little higher, okay, you are not understanding, then you obviously you have another class or another batch is there. And at the same time, it is reverse. If it is very easy for you, you understand. And then of course we have a separate batch at a higher level also. So this is the middle batch, exactly. Okay. So we can know about it, how you understood.
yes, sir.
Just 1 minute, only 1 minute. I'm starting up that program. Yeah, we are here now. Yes, everybody can see the screen.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes, sir.
was the
Yes, sir.
53rd
Yes, sir.
problem. We had solved it, and we will move to 54 now. Yeah. Now white to move and move a piece to create the fork. So what I always say or urge is that you should be able to see the move immediately.
Sir, got it.
Yeah.
Sir, I got it.
Yeah. Those who got it, very good. You write down that move so we can move little faster. Okay. So here, this is the Queen D2. Queen D2. Please mute your microphone, Gareth. केला अवनी केला. So this is the clear cut fork. Next. Now this fork is little difficult to understand. No, sorry, little difficult to find out, but easy to understand. Don't worry. I am giving you full 1 minute, and everybody please solve it, or at least try hard to solve this. And those who can solve, please keep quiet. Because this type of fork, this is the first problem.
Sir, done.
Yeah, good. 15 seconds more. Yeah. Now here you will find the fork is not between two pieces, but fork is between one piece at one end, means at the end of one fork, one point, and the other side, other fork is towards mating fleet. It is a mating position for black. White can mate black in two moves. So out of which the first move is this. Now where is the mating position is this. If queen comes over here, that is f8, it is a chicken mate. So here white is threatening capturing of knight, at the same time giving mate. So black has to save, so black will move king or even pawn also and save himself, then you can kill the knight. So you get minimum one piece. Here fork is not between two pieces. Try to understand it. So mating threat is also a fork. You are trying to control the special square. Here the square is the target. Everybody please understand this. This is a 15-second problem only. White to move and create the fork. You should be able to win the material when you give the fork. Very important thing. Just as it is, you want to as a show of business, you are giving a fork and no use. Then that
Sir, can I say?
wasted.
Sir, I got it.
Who want to say? Gareth want to say? Yeah, Gareth, you are welcome. Come on, tell me.
Sir, I think it is.
Kavin, whether Kavin is there?
Hello.
Yeah, Kavin is there. Kavin.
So I can put E5. E5 maybe.
E5, not maybe, it is. Absolutely right. E5 is the answer. Queen E5 is the answer. Perfect.
Thank
Very
you,
good. Kanushka has joined. Yes, very good, Kanushka. And Shri Kirtan has joined. Na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good. Everybody understood the last problem, no? Last problem was much better. So after every 2-3 problem, one difficult problem will be there. अवनी झोप आली का तुला दुपारची? हा जांभया नको देऊस मला दिसतंय.
I got it. Sir, got it.
Yeah,
Sir, I got.
this is also a simple problem. Here it goes to E4. That means what you have to do now, a very simple thing is that see what is happening. You draw a simple lines. Okay. 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 These are the lines from king. Similarly, draw lines from knight. So where these knights are lines are crossing, see here it is crossing. And if the same crossing you are also going through that, then this is the perfect matching square. From here you can go to every end. That is the simplest way of finding the fork for queen. Next, black to move.
Move piece to create a fork.
Now here
I got it.
finding may not be difficult, but finding fast is now required from you, all of you. You try to find it as fast as possible. So your concentration must be good.
Started to.
Yeah, Anushka, you want to say something?
Sir, I got it that problem.
Good.
Sir, can I say?
Who is that?
Sir, it's Sri Kirtan.
Speaker, then no, I know that you already. This is a very simple thing for me. I know that.
Sir, can I say the answer?
Who is this?
Garrett.
Gareth. Yes, Gareth.
Sir, H6.
Perfect. Yeah, understood.
Thank you, sir.
Next problem. Black to move and give the fork. Here, this problem is also little different from every other problem. There is some difference. I will take this problem on demo board.
Sir, I got it.
This is the problem. Little difference is there. What is this difference? I will show you. Here, everybody must have got this. Very good. Attacking this and attacking this. Perfect. So the solution is correct. But what is the different? What is something different which I found is that when queen comes over here, now king doesn't have possibility to come to the rescue of the pawn. So queen not only attacking pawn, attacking king and also attacking the path in between. This is the difference. Also, queen is attacking this square where pawn wants to promote himself. So this is one of the best fork. Supposing you are here, for example, this is also a fork. This is also a fork, but this is not a good fork because now this square and this square, this is the path where king can come near this and you cannot kill this. So that is the importance is that you are not allowing king to come over here and here. So that was the importance. You understood?
Sir, I have one more thing.
Sir,
Yes.
it can go to D6 from. Sir, you have to keep on not like that.
What area? So
Keep
this is
on that. Sir,
same
it is
position.
in D6.
What it is? Acha, acha.
Sir, see,
That
when
is that is this simple. Yeah, come on. You can only come. So this is the point only where all can meet. No other point. If this would have
sir,
been
it can
here,
go to B3 also.
B3. B3,
Yes.
if it goes, then it cannot give check to the king. It can only target the,
No point.
yeah. So B3 is not correct.
Okay, sir.
This is the only thing. Everybody understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thumbs up.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Now black to move. You create the fork.
E4.
You
Sir,
cannot, you don't speak. You write down your answer in your notebook.
Sir,
You write
Sir,
down
I-
answer in your
sir,
notebook.
can I say the answer?
Who is this? Gareth. Gareth, wait.
Sir, I can say.
Let me ask somebody else. Hartej, I want it from you.
Sir, can I say?
No, it is I asked Hartej. So it will be Hartej. Hartej, not yet. Fine. Hans.
Hello?
Hans. Yes, I want you to answer.
Hello, you can hear me?
Yes, Hans.
Queen to E6.
E6. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. See here, there are other possibilities that this can give. I will take it on demo board. See here, what you said is this. Okay. But there is a possibility that this can come over here and give check, give this attack and give this attack. But place is not worth. It is not protected. Bishop will kill the queen. Similarly, you can't come over here and attack this and this. Place is protected by this. Are you getting? So that is why this is most safe. What you have to do is always and always safety first. If you're giving fork and that place is not safe, what is the point of giving fork? So in whether you are creating a pin, whether you are creating a fork, your safety of your piece should be first considered. Then only you can go for the attack. Unless you want to sacrifice that on purpose, that is altogether a different thing. So that was the right answer, Hans. Hartej, you didn't answer, no? That's you have to answer. Next, Avani.
Sir, got it.
Sir, king G3. Queen G3.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Very good. It was easy. Good. Next, Advait.
King, white, okay.
I will tell you one thing. Everybody,
Sir, sir, Queen
wait,
C.
wait. Just wait. I want to say, see on this board, na, there are these two buttons. You can see this red. Now, here is also a red, but it is not lit. It is off, and this is on. And this is a white side or white, and this is a black mark, small circle. So when a white is there and this red button is here, that means it is white to play. And when it is a black to play, this red mark will be on. Always and always it is like that. So you don't have to read whose chance it is. In it, and this is this system is followed everywhere. You take any diagram in the notebook also.
Real
Yeah,
we real it then also.
everywhere this system follows. जिसका भी चांस है उस तरफ आपको सिग्नलिंग दिया जाता है. A signal is kept always. You don't have to read the text. Yes. Now tell me. Sorry for interruption.
Sir, Queen, white Queen C3.
White Queen C3. Perfect. Attacking bishop and nobody can come in the middle. Even if this queen come to save the king, you lose this. That's good. Absolutely good. Who was this?
Sir, me Advait.
And next question goes to Manisha. It is white's turn, Manisha. Yes, Manisha. I think she lost the connection. Dhairya, tell me. Yes, Dhairya.
Sir, B6. The queen to B6.
Queen to B6. Perfect. Absolutely perfect.
Hello.
Absolutely perfect. Attacking knight and attacking king. Very good. Next, Arav.
Yes, sir.
I think easiest of the problem so far.
Lord.
Gareth, if the session ends, you have to rejoin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, because it ends
Okay.
after 40 minutes.
I know, sir.
Come on, Arav.
Sir, not Ara. Sir, that Anushka.
No, I have asked Arav, not Anushka. Anushka is different and Arav is different. With Arav Lakshmana. Okay, Anushka, tell me.
Sir, got it. Sir,
Lord.
sir, queen to E4.
Queen to E4. Queen to E4. Okay. Then let me hear from Anushka if she says the same thing.
Sir, queen to E6.
Queen to E6. Both are different. See, here the confusion is, I'll tell you why the confusion is there. It is because of this 1, 2, 3, 4. You just see the board. उल्टा रखा है. मतलब द अपोजिट साइड यूजुअल हम लोग ब्लैक जहां रखते हैं वहां पर व्हाइट की पीसेस है एंड दिस इज कमिंग दिस वे एंड नॉट गोइंग दिस वे. First you observe that. That means pawn can kill here, pawn can kill here. These two squares are not good. So this fork is not good because pawn will kill the queen. And even if the pawn is not there, after this fork, the rook will come over here and save the king and himself, both. So this place is not good, but this place is good. Okay, next. Kanushka. Kanushka. Kanushka.
बुक्स रखें इसके लिए Sir, I can tell.
Queen to B1. Sorry, B8.
Sir, it's don't answer it.
Good. Very good. Very good. Very good. See here, anybody will go for this. I know this is very easy to understand. Yes, queen to B3, check, and you get this. But this fork is not good since this is supported or knight is supported by bishop. So here this, though it is a fork, it is not good fork. Even this is also a fork. But here you are attacking pawn which is already supported, and this which is not supported, it will come over here simply and save himself. Or here, sorry, because this is again 1, 2, 3, 4 time. Pawn is coming this side. So this is the best fork because nobody can come to anybody's rescue. That's good.
Sir, copy the answer है.
Next, Ishan.
Sir, in 64, it can 6 also.
Huh? There is another fork.
Sir, in 64.
Sir, yes. There is another fork.
This is 65, 64.
Sir, B queen
Sir,
to
E6. Sir, queen to E6.
Queen to E6 is the answer na I had given. Yeah, this is the answer. Is there any
sir,
another?
also
Yes, tell me.
queen to E8, C8.
Queen to E8.
C8, sir, C8.
क्वीन C8 में जाएगी कैसे? जा ही
तो
नहीं सकती.
नीचे आएगा फिर जाएगा ना.
नहीं, बट ओनली वो एक मुंह में ही चाहिए ना अपने को. दो
Okay,
मुंह में
okay.
नहीं चाहिए. Okay, no problem. Good try. So here the answer is we had given E8. Very good. Next, who is this Galaxy 4-5 Pro? Who is this?
Sir, Kavin.
Who?
Kavin Shinde.
Kavin. Okay. Okay, Kavin. Fine. I haven't written your name. Kavin, present. Fine. Yes, Kavin, tell me. Now, white to move and create a fork.
This is pretty hard.
This is pretty hard. It is not at all hard. It is very simple. Just because there are many pieces on the board, you feel it is hard. But I will take it from me. My guarantee I will tell you. When there are less number of pieces on the board, always and always that is difficult situation. because many permutation combinations are there, very difficult to manage. And when there are many pieces on the board, they have very limited mobility. So it's very easy to understand also what other person is going to play. It is much easier when less number of pieces.
Sir, can I say?
No, let him.
Sir, can I say the answer?
No, Gareth.
Can I say?
Whose chance it is? I said
Galaxy on 5.
Galaxy on 5. Yeah, Galaxy on 5. Kavin
Sir,
Shinde.
E7. E7.
E7 is what? And Queen or what? What E7? Queen E7. Queen E7 में किसको fork है? Fork is not to anybody. Only king is in problem. That's all. Who is the other person on the other end? Okay. Arav, you have
Sir,
not.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
can I say?
Yes.
Can I say?
Yes, Shri Kirtan.
Sir, it's Queen C3.
Queen C3.
Queen C3.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Attacking rook and king. Very good.
Sir, because there are other two also, but they are not safe as the knight can attack over
Correct.
there.
Correct. Very good. Next. White to play. Artej.
Sir, can I say?
No, Hartej. I want something from his mouth. Come on, Hartej, beta.
Queen to F7.
Queen to F7. Queen takes F7
but
is
that's
good.
a pawn
Yeah,
there.
it is. You are getting the pawn. You are attacking the queen. You are attacking the king, and you are attacking the bishop with the support of knight. So this is good. No issues. But here, bishop will take your queen.
Knight will take
You will,
bishop
yeah,
and
you will lose the
takes knight.
queen. Yeah. So that is not good.
Sir, I have one.
Yes.
Sir, can you tell?
Yes.
Sir,
Sir, it
white
can
queen
go to B4.
B4.
Perfect. Ekdam perfect. It will go to B4 and give check and attack on the bishop. Perfectly. This is right.
Your voice is breaking.
Yeah, this is right. Is it clear to you?
I got it.
Yeah, Manisha. Last time we were not able to connect. Yes, Manisha?
Queen to
Huh?
A4.
Perfect. Attacking this also. Good one. Next. Avani.
Sir, Queen C8.
Good. Attacking rook and attacking king. Very good. Kanushka.
Queen to E4.
Oh, wow. Good one. Good one. You have started understanding it. Arav,
Yes, sir.
tell me about the fork.
Yeah, got it.
Come on, Arav.
Mm.
Arav is not able to answer. Dhairya.